Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So we are in lecture 2 for simplifying rational numbers. We did some practice, some easy questions for solving rational numbers. This is from worksheet for grade 11. So the questions are, question number 1, 27 divided by 27x plus 18. So you can see that on numerator we cannot do anything, but in the denominator we can take out some common. So we will take out whatever 27 and 18 can give away. So 3 9s are 27. So 3 is out, right? And then we have, or you can say 9 is out. If we can say 9 is out, then 9 3s are 27. So 3x plus 9 2s are 18, right? So this is what the best we can do. The 9 is common between 27 and 18. So now we can cut this 9 and 27. 3 3s are 9. Or 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. You can cut directly. So you are left with 3 over 3x plus 2. So this is the best what you can simplify this question. So this is your answer. Then we go to the next question. So you have to really make your practice in these questions so that you can quickly solve them, because in EQAO test you have lots of questions and you have very limited time to solve all those questions. So you really need to clear your concept and make your way quickly so that you can solve the question paper right in time. So you can make the 3 terms into 4 terms, and you want to make 7 in between by plus or minus, right? So all possible factor, for the easiest factor is 10 times 3, and if you keep this negative and this positive, then you will get minus 7. So that is fine for the numerator. Now you see negative 24, you have to break negative 24. So 8 times 3 is 24, but you need minus 5. So you have to make 8 as minus and 3 as plus, so that you can get minus 5, right? So these are the two factors which you think over in your head, and then you write v square minus 10v plus 3v, right, minus 30 divided by what you have, v square minus 8v plus 3v, right, minus 24. Now you can make the pair and take common, right, in the numerator and denominator simultaneously. So if v is out on the numerator, so you are left with v minus 10, and if plus 3 is common, so in the bracket you have v minus 10 again, and in the denominator you can take v common, so v minus 8, and plus 3 is common, so v minus 8, right? So now you can write them, the common things together, so v plus 3 and v minus 10 on the numerator, and in the denominator you have v plus 3 and v minus 8, right? So v plus 3 and v plus 3 get cancelled, and we are left with v minus 10 divided by v minus 8. So this is our answer, right? So, and this is my factors, right? So I will keep this also here. And now we have several questions like the same. So my question number 3 is x squared plus 8x plus 12 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 18. So you have to break 12, and 12 can be 6 times 2 is 12, and 6x plus 2x gives you 8x. So that is your right factors. Over 18 you have to break, right? So 6 times 3 is 18. So if you have plus 6x minus 3x, you have 3x here, right? Minus 18, and then you pair up the pair and the pair, the pair and take common in the numerator and denominator. So x is common, x plus 6, plus 2 is common, x plus 6, and in the denominator x is common, x plus 6, minus 3 is common, x plus 6. So x plus 2 one time and x plus 6 one time in the numerator, and in the denominator you have x minus 3 and x plus 6. So you have x plus 6 get cancelled, and you are left with x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. Hope you understand, right? So you have to go, this is all previous practice. You have done these questions like in grade 10, and you can solve them quickly if you have the practice of breaking 3 terms into 4 terms quickly, and then you can make the common, and then if it's something get cancelled, you get cancelled, and then you have the simplified answer. So let's see another question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is x square minus 11x plus 18 over x square plus 2x minus 8 plus 18, right? This is 8. So now you have to break 18. So how to break 18? 6 3s are 18, but 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 2s are 18 is fine for us, because minus 9x and minus 2x gives you minus 11x, right? So you have to see the factors. X square, now you have 8. So 4 2s are 8, right? But you need plus 4x and minus 2x to get the middle term, that is 2x. Now you can pair it up, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, and get common. So x is common, x minus 9, minus 2 is common, x minus 9, over x is common, x plus 4, minus 2 is common, x plus 4, right? Now you can go ahead for this where we are at. So we have x minus 2, x minus 9 on the numerator, and in the denominator we have x minus 2 and x plus 4, and we can see that x minus 2 get cancelled, and we are left with x minus 9 over x plus 4. So these type of questions requires just your skills to break 3 terms into 4 terms and then take the simplified form of the rational expression, right? So x minus 9 over x plus 4 is your answer. We can take a few more example in this class, and then so question number, sorry, maybe we make some space here, right? And then we go to question number 5. What is the next question? So next question is b square plus 8x plus 12 divided by b square plus 3b minus 28. Sorry, b square minus plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square minus 49. So on the top you have 28, right? So you have to break 28. B square, so how to break 28? So what do you say? So, 7 times 4 is 28. So if you put 7 as plus and minus as 4b minus 28, and bottom you can see that is a difference of 2 square as we talked in the previous video. So I can write it as b plus 7 and b minus 7. On the numerator you can further go as the common because you make a pair up. So b plus 7 minus 4 is common, b plus 7 divided by b plus 7 and b minus 7 on the bottom. Now you have the common things in the bracket and the other thing once in the bracket. B plus 7 divided by b plus 7 and b minus 7. B plus 7 get cancelled, so you are left with b minus 4 divided by b minus 7. This is your answer, right? So we can take one more example here. Question number 6. v square minus 3v minus 40 divided by v square minus 11v plus 24. So you have to break the 3 terms into 4 terms, and you know how to make them. So 40, we have to break 40, right? And we have to bring minus 3. So 8 times 5 is 40, v square minus 8v plus 5v. So this time you will, when you subtract them, you will get minus 3 minus 40, and the numerator is done. Denominator is 24, so we have to break 24. 8 times 3 is 24, so 8 times 3 means minus 8v minus 3v will give you minus 11v, the middle term, right? And then you can pair it up and make the common, right? So v is common, left over is v minus 8, plus 5 is common, v minus 8, and in the denominator, when v is common, v minus 8, when minus 3 is common, v minus 8. So you have v plus 5 and v minus 8 divided by v minus 3 and v minus 8, and v minus 8 get cancelled, and you are left with v plus 5 over v minus 3. Hope you understand. Just make a quick practice of these questions, how to turn 3 terms into 4 terms, and then you will see that something will get cancelled. So you cancel those terms and the rest of the things will be your answer. So hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, share it with your friends and family friends. Maybe somebody is looking for these questions, and this is like vacation mode from school, and we will be getting back to school in September. So this is good time to practice all those questions before getting into the class. So this is lecture 2. We will be having a few more lectures for simplifying rational numbers. So thumbs up, and thank you for watching.